Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about exponent laws once again. Today we'll be specifically discussing the power of a power exponent law. I'm going to go over what it is, why it's true, and also go over two examples of using it. So starting off with what is this law? This law states that x to the power of a to the power of b, so if we have a power to a power, then we should multiply the powers. This is going to be the same as x to the power of a times b. Now, why is this the case? I want to briefly touch on why it's the case. If you don't care why, you can skip ahead, but I will explain why this is true. The reason this is true is because think about, well, what is x to the power of a in the first place? X to the power a is just x times x times x, etc., a times. And then if we take this to the power of b, that means we're repeating this essentially. We're taking this and we're repeating it b times. So x times blah, 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 a times. And then we're repeating that b times. And so overall, it's going to be a multiplied by b as our new exponent, essentially. So let's go through this first example. Here we have x cubed to the power of 6. So according to the law we just talked about, what do we do with that? We multiply 3 and 6. So this is going to be the same as x to the power of 3 times 6, which is equal to x to the power of 18. Let's do one more example. What if we have y to the power of negative 3 squared? So again, we should multiply and get y to the power of negative 3 times 2. Now, negative 3 times 2 will be negative 6, because recall that whenever we multiply a negative by a positive, we always get a negative result. And then we could rewrite this, if we'd like to keep only positive exponents, we could rewrite this as 1 over y to the power of positive 6, because as a reminder, in one of our other exponent laws, we learned that a negative exponent just means take the reciprocal of what we have in our base. All right, so as always, if you have any questions, please leave those down in the comment section, and we'll see you for the next one.